Parlez français. Leçon 2, Niveau 1. In this lesson, you will find a sample of what we do in our small group classes. Basically, we focus on learning to speak French from the very first lesson, and this is your sample lesson, so you find out what it's like, and we do the same sort of thing at any level. If you want more information about our small group classes, register at the link below in the description. Now let's have a look at your vocab for today. There's quite a lot there. We've got c'est, which is it is, c'est. Ce que, which is what, but it's not the question what, it's the middle what, as in that's what I'd like to do. Très, which is very. Bon, which is good, nice, for instance, good to eat. Mauvais, which is bad, as in bad to eat. Important, which is important, exactly the same as in English. Intéressant, interesting, intéressant. Intelligent, clever or intelligent, intelligent. Difficile, difficult. Facile, easy. And a reminder of last week's lesson. We had something to eat, quelque chose à manger. Now we're going to qualify this something. We're going to say something nice. And if you say something nice in French, you have to put de in between the something and the nice. It's almost like we're saying something of nice. But just take it as it is. That's how it works. Quelque chose de bon. Same for the next one. Quelque chose d'intelligent. Something clever. And you see here, because intelligent starts with a vowel, the de becomes d apostrophe. Now let's start easy with our first practice. We're only going to use 3 new words. It's nice, as in it tastes nice. If you look at the bottom, you got to use c'est for it is and bon for nice. There's no other way of saying it tastes nice, by the way. That's how you say it. C'est bon. It's bad, as in it tastes bad. It would be c'est mauvais. C'est mauvais. In reality, you'd never say that to anyone. You just keep it to yourself. Let's practice with more words. It's important. That should be easy for you now. You know how it works. C'est important. C'est important. Now, if you need more time to work it out, just pause the video. It's interesting. C'est intéressant. C'est intéressant. And it works the same way for the next 2 examples. It's clever. C'est intelligent. C'est intelligent. It's difficult. C'est difficile. C'est difficile. And again, let's do more basic practice. It's easy. C'est facile. C'est facile. It's very nice. C'est très bon. C'est très bon. Let's use the très again in this one. It's very bad. C'est très mauvais. C'est très mauvais. It's very difficult. C'est très difficile. C'est très difficile. It's very, very easy. C'est très, très facile. C'est très, très facile. It's very clever. C'est très intelligent. C'est très intelligent. We say the S of très because we link with intelligent. Très intelligent. It flows better when you speak. Now, for the next few sentences, we're going to use the sentences and structures we learned last week. If you remember, we did I have something to eat. J'ai quelque chose à manger. This time it's I have something nice to eat. J'ai quelque chose de bon à manger. J'ai quelque chose de bon à manger. Do not forget the de. It's incorrect otherwise. I have something important to do. J'ai quelque chose d'important à faire. J'ai quelque chose d'important à faire. And let's have a look at the next few along the same lines. I have something interesting to watch on TV. J'ai quelque chose d'intéressant à regarder à la télé. J'ai quelque chose d'intéressant à regarder à la télé. I have something clever to say. J'ai quelque chose d'intelligent à dire. J'ai quelque chose d'intelligent à dire. In the next exercise, we're going to talk about this famous ce que we introduced at the beginning. And your first example is, that's what I would like. When you say that's in French, you usually point, oh, that's what I would like. It's the same as it is, so it's c'est. Okay? The what here is not the question what, it's the middle what. Ce que, and you know I would like from the first lesson, je voudrais. C'est ce que je voudrais. And that's your sentence. Let's make another one. That's what I would like to do. Same thing. C'est ce que je voudrais faire. C'est ce que je voudrais faire. If you speak fast, you say c'est ce que je voudrais faire. And let's practice that structure again. That's what I would like to eat. C'est ce que je voudrais manger. C'est ce que je voudrais manger. How about that's what I would like to watch? C'est ce que je voudrais regarder. C'est ce que je voudrais regarder. Manger and regarder, obviously, we saw last week. Final example. That's what I would like to say. C'est ce que je voudrais dire. C'est ce que je voudrais dire. And that's all for this lesson. Please give me a like if you've enjoyed it. Leave a comment if you have any suggestions. And subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any videos I put out.